Man, this cereal's delicious and fun.
Delectable and electable.
I know. It's so good.
What are you kids eating?
Obama O's! You wouldn't like it, old man.
Yeah, it's hip, cool, and good for America.
You wouldn't like it, old man.
But it's black!
Yeah, we thought you'd have a problem with that.
Well, it's not that it's a problem, it's just it's not normal is all. Oh, that's not what I mean. Oh, God. Yeah, it's just, children, I'm not racist. It's just that back in the day we called them coons.
You elected a cripple.
That's not fair. We didn't know he was crippled. He was on the radio. How are we supposed to know? Everyone sounds robust and hearty on the radio. There were fireside chats. Oh, it was the Great Depression. You don't understand with your cereal and your goddamn black presidents. Oh, now I've said it. Corn, sonnet, horse feathers, soup and salad.
Shove it, old man. We elect what we like.
Obama O's, a delicious part of this balanced breakfast. From the makers of Dean Edwards' Flake Flakes. Obama O's.
Obama O's!